Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Goda.
I'm Neela.
So in today's video, we are thinking to mix different kind of Maggi flavors and then eat it. I don't know how it will gonna turn out and everything, but
But I guess this is one of those impulsive videos
Right.
that we've come up with. Like, obviously many people did this on the internet and stuff like YouTube.
Right.
So we've always been fascinated. Like, how does it taste? Like, so many different flavors.
Yeah.
So then yesterday when we went for grocery shopping, we saw like Maggi had a lot of different flavors. Like, at least in the place where like we stay and stuff. So that grocery shop.
Yeah.
So we were like, okay, why don't we just try it? So just for our, like, just to know curious thing, that's why we thought, like, why don't we just make a video out of it?
Exactly. So yeah, now we will show you what different kind of Maggi flavors we bought. So yeah, so those were the 6 different flavors that we bought. We don't know if Maggi has more flavors, but we were able to find only these. And also we deliberately bought a small packet one so that we don't waste, if we won't complete it,
But do they come in big size though?
I don't know.
We've seen the small size, we've not really, but we don't know.
Yeah, exactly. So and also we thought, it's best for this challenge because small quantity you can eat it. Large quantity mixing everything, I don't think so. It's hard for us with our appetite.
Yeah.
So yeah.
We're still debating over the 6 ones. It's gonna be a lot.
Yeah, so yeah, true that, because if you mix all the 6 noodles, it will be such huge quantity. So
maybe we'll cut it into half, maybe.
Yeah, probably. You should see your face.
I'm like, that's my thinking face, okay? I look disgusting, but that's my thinking face. Probably we'll just like, make that even half, because again, we're just the 2 of us and we just don't wanna waste. I don't know how are we gonna mix some masala and stuff. It doesn't really make sense, but we'll try. We'll try it out.
We'll see. Yeah, we'll see different ways where we can, see that we don't waste food.
Yeah, but we can have like the taste of everything.
Exactly. So probably we'll go and start cooking.
Let's go.
So we are thinking to break sapros.
Oh, the color is different, dude.
Look at so smile.
You're gonna just have half, no?
Yeah, so that we won't waste. Wow. So universe is telling us that you should have full. Yeah, we are gonna stuff the other half inside the packet. Put the masala. I mean afterwards, not now.
Just struggling.
Wow.
Oh shit. Oh, why did I cut upside down?
Because you're weird, Neela. It's so weird calling you Neela.
Which side?
Yeah, I guess that's it. Now universe is telling us to have only half.
Can you like stop?
So actually we did not have anything from morning. I guess now it's 4. Yeah, don't ask us why.
We're not doing dieted stuff.
Yeah.
We are lazy. We didn't wake up.
Yeah, we did not wake up, and we did tell our mom yesterday that don't cook us lunch because we're gonna do this challenge. We're kind of hungry, but again we feel that if we'll waste depending on our capacity and appetite. So that's the reason we thought of I thought we thought of
breaking it into
half and cooking it. Yep. So yeah, the Maggi is cooking currently.
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
No, I guess the biggest struggle will come when we have to mix the masalas.
I guess it's just mixing it. I mean,
no,
half,
I mean half of, yeah,
right.
Not mixing, like, don't go legit, okay? I meant like, I don't know like, what proportion, yeah? This is gonna be hard, bro.
Yeah, okay.
Bye.
Why are you telling bye, bro? We did not end the vlog.
I'm very hungry.
So, Maggi is cooked. Now it's time for masala. This is
Bangkok.
Bangkok. We have two flavors. This is sweet and sweet chili.
No, that is Hong Kong.
So in goes the first masala, the Bangkok sweet chili. So
mixing time. So after that we'll meet, okay?
yeah,
Ta-da!
we are done.
So we're gonna go inside and eat. Yeah, then we'll shoot.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
So we will taste it now. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why. Okay.
It smells good actually, and we're sorry about the sounds.
Yeah, construction noise. If you hear anything, we are really sorry.
It smells good.
Yeah. I guess I can smell sweet and chili. Sweet chili. It's actually good.
Yeah, we are.
I don't know whether it's weird.
Or is it
I actually like it.
Or is it because we just added half?
Yeah, maybe. You know what is more weird? I'm not able to
Make out which one.
I'm not able to recognize which is what flavor because we never had these flavors before. I guess it's sweet chili only that I'm prominently getting. What do you think?
Why do I feel like it's like
Not.
it smells like sweet chili.
It even tastes. I mean, for me, the smell that we are getting, right? The taste is also the same for me. I don't know whether that made sense, but.
Let's take a thumbnail.
Okay. What do you think overall? Would you like to try it again?
Yeah, definitely. It's actually a good one. Maybe, I don't know, okay, I just really like Maggi when it's like with egg and stuff. I really enjoy it. So probably next time we should try it with like scrambled egg, few vegetables.
And also, which kind of Maggi lover are you? Like, are you a soupy one or a dry one? I mean, I guess you guys already figured out what kind of Maggi lover we are. Dry.
I was never the. I swear, when we were kids, we used to love Maggi. I mean, we had a lot of Maggi growing up. So this is like one thing I remember like very clearly is that I pestered Amma like for like a month, I guess. Like, I want Maggie, I want dry Maggie. Just to teach me a lesson, I got Maggie in my dabba for like around a month.
Oh God!
And I guess that was the time where I was like, I can't. The first 2 weeks I was like, yeah.
That's when
that's when I feel like the entire thing changed. Because
that perspective towards Maggie
changed. Like, eating it every day for lunch, and when it's in the dabba, it comes out in the dabba shape. You remember that? So maybe because of that, I just after a point I was like, no.
You store Maggie in the clothes.
Wow.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we had a power cut, but we are back again. So we were talking about dabba shape
Maggie.
Yeah, it used to come out like I guess probably because because it was cooked and right away stored in a container, right? So by the time it's lunchtime in school, it used to come out in that particular shape.
Seriously. I guess after that was in 5th grade or 6th grade. After that, I had Maggie when I was in 12th. Directly, I went to like this friend's house, and her mom makes amazing Maggie. Like, that's the only place like I'll go and like I literally like beg her mom, auntie, like I need Maggie. Like I need your Maggie, like the kind of Maggie that you. It's simple, but it's so nice.
This actually tells that we don't hate Maggie,
but it's just we like it in a type where it's like it's very dry. It's one of those very dry. This Maggie, we used to have even top ramen for a while, no?
Yeah, we had that for quite a long time.
After that, we stopped eating noodles.
We stopped
for like 4 or 5 years.
Yeah, I don't know why, and
but we never bought it like that. We never got the packets and stuff.
I don't know why.
I feel like we just like we don't want to eat that anymore.
Probably. So recently, we started eating ramen noodles, ching noodles.
We did that Korean instant noodles thing, no?
Right.
We actually really like the chicken one. The first one for breakfast, what we had.
If you did not watch that video, we'll probably link it in the description. Go watch that video.
Like even the weirdly, I never thought I like the vegetarian one as well. It had that last big kick where every bite, the last with that kick of the spice you had. Kick of the spice.
But for me, the favorite one was the chicken flavor one. The morning breakfast.
Oh, that was good. Then we have like, whenever we feel like having these, we'll have ching garlic flavor.
Yeah, ching is also nice.
Weirdly,
that's when she started liking garlic flavor.
I used to not like garlic
and
flavor.
Once she liked it, just passed on to me.
I pestered her. She was not here. She was out for like Coimbatore.
So I was doing my MBA during that time.
So every time whenever she came, I was like, bro, you gotta taste this with like that egg and like full everything. It's amazing. So then like fried egg and like garlic.
If you did not figure it out already, Neela is big foodie.
Very. I love food. I mean,
even I like food.
Not like it's not good for health. I don't take anything, but it's not good for health. But it's just that I don't know.
Yeah,
it's good.
So, what was I telling? So I was telling that Neela is big foodie. I mean, even I am a foodie, but when it comes to combinations, let's have this with this, let's have that with this, she's probably good at it.
It's just that
like she knows how to enjoy food.
But I'm very picky also when it comes to few.
That is
things.
Yeah, I eat whatever. I'm like a garbage.
I don't know, but I was like that when I was a kid. Once like I started like I don't know. After growing up, it's just like I'm like no. When it comes to healthy stuff, I'm like, this is so bad. I'm like kind of portraying myself like I eat only junk. So it's not true, but
yeah, she does eat other stuff as well. Okay, so with that, we completed.
You complete.
Okay, chuk glitch.
I won't put glitch now. I'm editing this video. I won't put glitch.
Okay, imaginary glitch.
Hey, this was actually good.
Yeah, it was actually good. So we completed eating. Okay, sorry.
What?
Yeah, I thought you were telling something.
No, I was just saying that it was a good decision that we went with half.
Yeah, actually, because we are kind of full. I don't think
I'm actually full.
Yeah, I mean, we would have paka
Wasted the other half.
So
it's good that we went with
only half. Yeah. So.
Oh, boy, I'm like food high.
She had this much portion on it and she's like, I'm
See, no, it's one of those things where you have the thing where if you starve yourself and then you eat, I didn't starve ourselves, but if you starve yourself and if you eat, you're just, even if you have like buttermilk, a glass of like 1 glass of buttermilk, you're full. Like, you know, it's one of those instances where.
Yeah, I get the point. I hope you people also are getting the point. So yeah, with that, we have completed our bowl of Maggi, and also that's the end of this vlog. I hope you guys liked watching it. Please let us know if there are any more suggestions or anything that you want us to try and do.
Did you burp?
No. I forgot how to talk. I was like, what comes after that?
So yeah, that's it for today's video. Please do let us down.
Yeah, we'll go down. Yeah. She's like. Okay, so I guess she's not going to do the outro. I'll continue. So if you guys liked watching the video, please do consider subscribing,
like,
comment, share, and
subscribe. You won't tell them to subscribe.
I told subscribe. Sorry.
Yeah, if you like it, please subscribe. I'm just repeating whatever she said.
Please excuse us. Until then, bye.